Hello everyone. Today, I'm introducing the TWOSUN Knives TS506 folding knife. The blade is crafted from premium N690 steel. The blade surface features a black titanium coating, followed by water grinding and precision CNC grinding. The blade has a refined straight-grained satin finish, creating a clean and elegant appearance. The handle is made from black linen micarta, combined with a green G10 inlay. It features a reliable liner lock mechanism. The pocket clip is made from stainless steel. Okay, now let's disassemble the handle. This is the black linen micarta handle material. This is the green G10 inlay. The bottom spacer is also made from G10. I won't remove the pocket clip. The pocket clip is made from stainless steel. This washer is made from stainless steel. These are the ceramic bearings we use. This is the stainless steel liner. The liner features weight reduction holes. Additional weight reduction holes are also designed here. It uses a liner lock system. Okay, now let's put everything back together. There is a card slot here. Okay. Very good. Now let's test the cutting performance and check its sharpness. Wow, it's extremely sharp. This knife is now available on our auction website with a special discounted auction price, starting from only $29.99. If you like this knife, please visit our website, www.TWOSUN-KNIVES.com. Thank you.